Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Akib Zama, your English coach, and in this video we are going to cover a very interesting topic, that how to talk to a doctor. So we all must know how to talk to a doctor. Well, so we just use so many sentences, then you must know how to say it in English. So the first is very common, then we say डॉक्टर साहब मेरी तबीयत ख़राब है. So in this sentence you can say in English, doctor, I'm not feeling good. Or you can use a phrase which is very American, doctor, I am under the weather. Okay, so next is we use that सर मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. You can say in English that I am feeling giddy or I am feeling dizzy. If the you're feeling dizzy means अगर आप कमज़ोरी से चक्कर आ रहे हैं, I am feeling dizzy, right? Next, मेरे सर में बहुत दर्द है. I have a headache. I have a headache और बहुत दर्द है. I have a severe headache, right? मेरी नाक बह रही है. So you can say this in English, my nose is running. Okay. मेरी आँखें दुख रही हैं. How will you say this? My eyes are hurting. Okay. डॉक्टर साहब मैं जा रहा था और मेरा पैर फिसल गया और मोच आ गई. So you can say this in English, I was just going and I slipped and I got a sprain in my leg or in my foot, right? Sprain कहते हैं मोच को. Okay, like मेरी नस चढ़ गई है पीठ की, तो you can also say that there is a sprain in my back. Okay, or if you are having back ache, जिसको हम कहते हैं पीठ दर्द, right? You can say my back is aching. Ache means होता है दर्द. My back is aching, right? और pain is also there. You can say that there is a pain. अगर आपको कहना है मेरा हाथ बहुत दर्द कर रहा है, you can say there is a pain in my hand. Okay. Sometimes you say डॉक्टर साहब खुजली मच रही है. So you can say that there is a itching in my body, or you can say there is a itching in my skin, hand, leg, wherever you are getting itching, like thighs and all. So basically we use many sentences. One more sentence we use that सर क्या क्या नहीं खाना है, क्या क्या नहीं खाना है डॉक्टर साहब परहेज बता दीजिए. तो यू कैन से दिस इन इंग्लिश, what precaution do I need to follow, या do I need to take. Best is what precaution do I need to take. Okay. Sometimes we say that मेरे 2 दिन से बुखार है, तो I have been suffering from fever for 2 days. You can say this, I have been suffering from fever for 2 days, right? And if you are saying that हाथ सुन हो गया है या पैर सुन हो गया है, सुन कहते हैं नम. So just my hand is numb, or you can say there is a numbness in my hand or in my leg. So in this way also you can tell to the doctor. And next we say that दोबारा कब आऊँ सर दिखाने. So you can say that in English, when should I consult next? Doctor, when should I consult next? Always remember, we don't say in English doctor sahab, we just say doctor. Doctor itself is a very respective words that you are using, like Mr. and Mrs. When you use Mr. and Mrs., doctor is also such types of very respective words. You need not to say doctor sahab, you always say doctor. When do I come next, or you can say when should I consult next. Okay, so here is another thing. मेरे मुंह में छाला निकल आया है या छाले निकल आए हैं. You can also say there is an ulcer in my tongue or into my mouth. In my mouth, sorry. There are ulcer in my mouth. Okay, and one ulcer is there, then you will use is, or many are there, you will use are. Okay, दाने निकल आए हैं छोटे छोटे, तो you can say that there are allergy, there is allergy in my body or cheeks or hands, wherever it is getting itchy. In this way also we just use these sentences. Next we just want to say डॉक्टर साहब खांसी है और ज़ुकाम भी है, तो आई एम कफिंग और आई हैव नो कोल्ड. कोल्ड कहते हैं नज़ला ज़ुकाम खांसी जो भी हो, उसके लिए आप कोल्ड वर्ड का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आई हैव कफ एंड कोल्ड. यू कैन समटाइम भी आज डॉक्टर साहब कोई अच्छी सी दवाई लिख दीजिए, तो यू कैन से दिस. दवाई लिखना ये मीन्स प्रिस्क्राइब करना. सो प्लीज़ डॉक्टर प्लीज़ प्रिस्क्राइब सम मेडिसन, गुड मेडिसन. डॉक्टर साहब मुझे भूख नहीं लग रही है, तो यू कैन से इन इंग्लिश एज डॉक्टर आई हैव लॉस्ट माई एपिटाइट. आई हैव लॉस्ट माई एपिटाइट. एपिटाइट मीन्स भूख. ओके, भूख लगने की कोई दवा दे दीजिए. गिव मी सम एपिटाइजर सो दैट आई कैन ईट वेल. राइट, बहुत वीकनेस हो रही है डॉक्टर साहब, चल भी नहीं मिल रहा है. यू नो यू हाउ यू से दैट आई एम फीलिंग very weak. I'm feeling very weak. I can't move. Okay, so please give some medicine. Right. Next, you say that when you go with someone and you just introduce डॉक्टर साहब ये कब तक ठीक हो जाएंगे, so you will say in English how long will he take to recover. Right. या मैं कब तक ठीक हो जाऊँगा, how long will I take, how long will I take to get well soon. So get well soon means ठीक हो जाना. और when you go to the doctor and ask somebody's help, जैसे क्या बीमारी क्या है डॉक्टर साहब, क्या बीमारी है इनको, तो how you say what's the problem, or you can say that what disease is he having, or there is one more word, there is a ailment, ailment. Ailment means also बीमारी, is the actual word in doctor. Okay, next very common when you say that डॉक्टर साहब घबराहट हो रही है, so you can say I am feeling suffocated. I'm feeling suffocated. I can't breathe. सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है. You can say I can't breathe. I can't breathe, doctor. Okay. Next, you can also write down some lines in Hindi which you find difficult to speak to a doctor, and surely I will give you the English translator of that, so that it would be very helpful for you to talk to a doctor. And yes, if you want to end with the doctor meeting, so you can also say have a good day. Have a good day means yes, if you are meeting with the doctor in a day, so if you are departing from him, you can say have a good day, or you can also say have a good fun. So in this way you just finish I have covered some of the very common and interesting way how to talk to a doctor. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Share with your friends, like it, and subscribe the channel. I hope this lesson will be clear to you, and if you are having any other problem which I have skipped, you can write down and I will answer there in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.